In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a drainage system for your site using GardenBox 3D. Start with adding drainage objects. On the right-hand side, under the Add Utilities section, click Drainage. The catalog offers various models for creating a drainage system, including catch basins, storm drain channels, gutter components, and drainage or collector wells. First, decide where and how the gutters will be installed on your house. Select a gutter based on your roof type and place it in the desired location. Go to the Properties tab to adjust the gutter parameters to match your roof. You can specify exact dimensions, set the level above the ground, and change its appearance. You can assemble a downspout manually from individual objects in the catalog or use a pre-assembled version. If your system requires catch basins or trench drains, place them on the site. Finally, install one or more drainage wells to collect and divert water. Also, you need to add a collector well at the drainage system's endpoint. Next, you need to connect the components with pipes. To start, switch the display mode to Plan on the bottom panel. This makes laying pipes more convenient and visual. Go to the Drainage section and click the Draw Pipe button. Left-click to set the starting point and drag the line to the desired length. To finish a line segment, left-click again. You can continue drawing the pipe or finish the process by right-clicking. To extend a pipe, pull the white marker. You can also move a pipe on the plan by selecting it and holding the left mouse button. Continue adding pipes to connect all objects on your plan. Once all pipes are added, configure their settings. Switch the display mode to 3D. In the Properties tab, select the diameter and adjust the height above the ground so that the pipe is positioned correctly relative to the terrain. To set the necessary slope for proper water runoff, you can change the height of an individual point. Select a point with a left click, and the level above ground parameter will appear in the panel on the right. You can adjust the height by moving the marker or using the arrows. To display the elevation for all pipe points, click Heights on the bottom panel. In this mode, the software shows height marks for every point on the pipe. By default, ground transparency is enabled to make viewing underground communications easier. If necessary, you can turn off transparency by clicking the corresponding button. Now, you know how to create your own drainage scheme in GardenBox 3D. Visit the official website and learn more about GardenBox 3D.